This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, you're just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy! And Tim! Tony Welch is here. Come on. Wiggles trip.
Here's Wiggles.
Wow! Oh, cool.
Tony, if you sit down on the sofa quietly for me, I'll pop him on your lap.
Make sure you shuffle back and your knees together. Knees together.
Perfect, that's a good position. Wiggles, this is Tony Welch. He will look after you. Here we go. There you go, and just give him a lovely cuddle. Oops. Not all rabbits like being picked up and stroked, but Wiggles seems to.
Hiya, Wiggles. He likes you, Tony. I wish I had a rabbit. We should get a rabbit friend for Wiggles. You're so cute and spotty. Oh! What's happened? Wiggles scratched me. Look. Oh. I don't want to hold him anymore. Can I see again? Oh, it's only a little scratch, Tony. I'll get Mummy. Mummy!
You're being very brave.
How's your hand, Tony? Oh, stingy.
Oh, will it feel better soon?
I thought Wiggles liked me. He does?
It's just an accident. Can you get a plaster for me, please, Topsy?
Mummy says that Wiggles might not like all the picking up anymore. I might pick some dandelion leaves for Wiggles.
Oh, well done, Tim. I think I'm going to... Thank you, Topsy. I'm going to have a look at Wiggles's nails. I think they might need cutting.
Please, can I watch you cut them, Mummy?
I don't know how to cut rabbits' nails properly, Topsy, so no. You're going to have to take Wiggles to the vet to get his nails cut properly. There you go, Tony. All done. Would you like to feed Wiggles some of the dandelion leaves now?
No, thank you. I want to go home now, please. I'm sorry Wiggles scratched you, Tony. That's okay. He didn't mean it. Look, Wiggles.
That would be really wonderful.
After Tony's dad collects him, Mummy phones the vet. Whoa, Wiggles' nails are really long.
Good news. Wiggles can have his nails cut today. We'll take the bus to the vets, OK?
Oh, Wiggles hasn't ever been on the bus before, Mummy.
Well, it'll be fine. I'll just go and find his carry basket.
Oh, I know where it is.
Oh, do you?
Wiggles, I just want to let you know that the bus isn't scary. Just sometimes a little bit noisy. Kind of like...
Pick him up very gently, Tim.
And did you know that it can sometimes be just not much, but a little bit shaky? Then all the people get off at the station, and then it goes, ow! Wiggles! Oh. Mum! Wiggles scratched me.
Oh, Tim. All right. Come on, Wiggles. Okay, that's nice and clean.
Mummy cleans my leg and puts on some antiseptic cream. Okay. And a plaster.
You know, Wiggles would say sorry if he could talk.
I know. But I don't want to pick up Wiggles anymore.
Oh, you will once Wiggles has had his nails cut. Oh, we need to catch our bus. Will you please put Wiggles in his basket whilst I clear up these things?
Topsy can put Wiggles in his basket for me, Mummy.
All right, go on. You go and get her to help you and I'll put these away.
Topsy! 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 Wiggles just scratched me, look. Oh, dear. You need to get Wiggles into his basket. OK. Wiggles! Wiggles, where are you? Where are you? Are you there? Oh, Wiggles! Wiggles knows all the best cosy places in our living room. And our kitchen. Mummy says it's important that he can wander around inside and outside. He needs exercise. There he is! He's eating grass. No, he's eating dandelion leaves. It's his favourite food. Oh. Come on, Wiggles, it's time to get in your basket. Come on. You're going to have to pick him up, Topsy. No, he might scratch me next. Come on, Wiggles. He doesn't want to go into his basket. Oh, can you pick him up, please, Tim? No, I don't want to get scratched again. Come on, Wiggles. Oh, come on. Wait, I know how to get Wiggles to come into the basket without picking him up. How? What's he doing, Tim? I'm picking some dandelion leaves. Look, I put one there, one here, and you can have these. Oh, thank you. One there. Oh, I see. We've made a trail of nice juicy dandelion leaves for you, Wiggles. I'll put one in this cage. Come on, Tim, let's watch from in here. Wiggles, look. Wiggles. Yes! He's following them. Wiggles. Oh, look, he's coming. Yes, I think he is. Come on. Wiggles. Yay! Yay! Oh, you're such a quick rabbit, Wiggles. Oh, you followed our trail.
Well done, you two, for getting Wiggles in his basket. Who picked him up?
No one. We made a trail of dandelion leaves that led Wiggles into his basket. He's a very clever rabbit, you know. Yes, he really is.
I know. And as soon as we get home from the vets, you can get him out and play with him again.
I don't want to pick Wiggles up anymore. He scratches.
Topsy and Tim, when Wiggles' nails have been cut, you will be able to pick him up and care for him just like you always used to. I promise. Now, who wants to go and catch a bus?
Yay!
Come on. Come on, Wiggles. We're going to the vets.
Don't forget Wiggles.
I've got Wiggles. Wait for me to open the door,
I
please,
will.
Topsy. Good girl. Welcome home, Wiggles. You're such a good rabbit at the vets. Here we go. Should we get you
We're
out?
back. Wiggles was really well behaved on the bus. And at the vet's, he sat very still when his nails are trimmed. He may still scratch, but only a little bit now.
See? His nice short nails.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Why don't you hold him, Tim? There you go. We need to get another rabbit soon to keep this lovely rabbit company.
Hello, lovely Wiggles. I'm sorry I didn't want to be with you before, but now I do. And I know you won't scratch me again. Will you, Wiggly Wiggly Rabbit? And next time, we'll take you to the vets before your nails get too long. And that's what Mummy said. Wiggles is a very lucky rabbit.
Wiggles is a very lucky rabbit, Topsy and Tim. To have you two to look after him and to have more dandelion leaves for his tea.
Oh, yeah! And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we took Wiggles to the vet. Can you remember what we gave Wiggles to eat before his journey? Was it dandelion leaves? Or was it a carrot? The answer is behind the jigsaw piece. Look, the answer is dandelion leaves. Watch this. I know how to get Wiggles to come into the basket without picking him up. How? What are you doing, Tim? I'm picking some dandelion leaves. Look, if I put one there, one here, and you can have these. Oh, thank you. One there. Oh, I see. We've made a trail of nice juicy dandelion leaves for you, Wiggles. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play